welcome back to my channel, Ask DeAvila Sadé, with your host, DeAvila Sadé, Dr. DeAvila Sadé, LCSW, and I'm back with a new video. If you are new to my channel is where mental health meets the millennial, also with a sprinkle of my Microlocs journey and some travel vlogs here and there, and I'm back with a new Microlocs video. I know. It has been a long time. I haven't posted any content since March, and it is June. And I know y'all like, where I've been at? I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I just didn't know what else to post. Like, I kind of got a little burnt out on doing the shorts with the mental health content. So I was like, let me take a break. And, you know, I didn't know what other type of Microlocs videos to do because y'all been with me for over a year and a half at this point. So I'm just like, what else can I make? So y'all gave me some ideas under my community tab when I posted, hey, I'm about to do an update. So hopefully I'll get some inspiration and you'll see some new videos. I actually will be recording another video within the next week or two. Yes. So be on the lookout. I'm gonna try to stay up to date. But anyway, today you are here because, drum roll please. Okay, we're gonna just start a drum roll out. I am at 21 months of being Microlocs. Yes, 21 months. Y'all, I'm almost in 2 years. Thanks be to Jesus. I am so excited. I stuck with this journey, you guys. Today, your girl, let's just go ahead and get into what's happening at 21 months. So the first thing I want to say is that my hair is fuller. Like, it's the volume. This is a fresh braid out. When I mean I just took the braids down, had them in for 2 days, and came on camera. This is a fresh braid out. I want to look nice for y'all. So if you have not seen my most updated braid out, I will link it in the iCards. I didn't forget which side that it is, but it's on one of those sides, and you can go ahead and watch that. But yes, y'all, look at the volume. I'm gonna give y'all a full 360 as I always do at the end of the video, where you can actually see like the changes in my hair. But that's one thing, my hair is definitely fuller now. Also, what else is different? Okay, so y'all, I know y'all might not be able to tell now, but I think I'm like 95 to 98% fully locked. Yes. The only reason I don't say 100 is because I still got a couple of locks with curly ends, and I think that would mean that I'm not fully locked, but I couldn't find a twist pattern at all when I was looking. And this is before I did the braid out. I think it'll be harder to see it now that I have a braid out. But y'all, at 2 years, when I hit the 2 year mark, I feel like I'm gonna be fully locked. So it took 2 years basically to get fully locked with my hair texture. So I'm so glad I'm almost there. Whew, maybe I can start doing some things, getting some color, who knows. Also in this video, I don't think I said it earlier, that I will also be reading your questions that you left, because I did ask you guys to leave some questions in the community tab. So yeah, I'll be reading those as well during the video. But yes, so I have done, my length, I got fuller hair. My length is here. I think I'm almost fully locked. So those are really the changes that, you know, have been happening with my Microlocs. Nothing else. Like, I don't know what else to tell y'all. My routine is still simply, you know, I wash maybe every 1 to 2 weeks. Usually it's every 2 weeks now because I'm on the lazier side. You know, I love trying new shampoos. So I think I might get back to doing that, but it's really simple. Now I've been doing wash and braid out every 2 weeks, and I love it. Still getting, you know, my reties every 6 weeks by my loctician. But let's go ahead and get into the questions. Let's go ahead and see what you guys want to know. So the first one we're gonna read is from Queen Wisdom. Thank you for leaving a comment. She first said a lot of great things about my Microlocs and then talked about her Microlocs. So we're gonna skip on down to the actual questions right here. She said, however, I do hear some locticians talk about locks popping off due to the length and weight of the locks as they grow. At this point in your journey, have you experienced any weakening of your locks, and have you ever had to combine any of your locks? Also, I'm curious to know, how many locks do you have? So I have not had any weakening of my locks. I have not lost any locks in the 21 months that I've been locked. at all. I have not had to combine any locks. So yeah, I've heard that as well, that some people have lost some locks, but I think, going to a professional, they know, well, they're supposed to know, what size your parting is supposed to be, so it'll be able to hold the weight of your lock when it matures. I'm glad I went to a professional because I have not lost any locks. So, and also I have 275 locks. So yes, that's how many locks I have. I have fine textured hair. And, when I first started this journey, I was like, oh, I'm probably gonna have like 400, 500 locks. Like, the people that I was seeing on YouTube, and that was not the case because of my hair texture. So, I was kind of disappointed, but now at this one, I'm like 275 is cool. It's not too bad. But yeah, I have 275 locks and have not seen any of my locks pop, break, or weaken. The next question is from, I don't want to say this wrong. Aikinsv, Aikinsv. Thank you for leaving a comment. When you get a retighten, what does your stylist do? How much does she charge? Okay, so when I get a retighten, so I wash my hair before I go to get my hair retightened. I don't have to, but I also don't want to pay an additional fee to get my hair washed. So, your girl try to save her coins as well as she can. But yeah, so what she does, she blocks you for 3 hours. It's a 3-hour block. And usually she gets mine done in 3 hours. It takes about 2.5 hours, maybe 2 hours and 45 minutes. But she gets it done in that 3-hour block, and she charges for that 3-hour block. So I pay $175 every 6 weeks to get my hair retightened. I don't leave with a style. That's it. It just covers her retightening my locks. If I want to get it washed and put into a style, then of course that's going to cost more. At this point, I'm cool with just getting my hair retightened. But yeah, that's how much she charged. Also, for reference, I'm in Memphis, Tennessee. So, this might cost in a different price or an increased price if you go to another state. But yeah, that's what I get done, and that's how much she charges. Next question is from I Am Korea, Corea. I like how this, if it is Korea, I like how it's spelled. Anyway, are there any changes you would have made in your journey in hindsight? Is color an option for you? If so, what color? I love your content. Thanks. Thank you. Are there any changes I would have made to my journey? Yes. Y'all know I've said this in numerous amounts of videos. I would have gotten my hair cut the way I wanted my locks to fall, because I did not go in with a haircut at all. So I would have cleaned up the ends. I would have got it shaped well, because y'all know when I first got locked, I did not like it was one side was longer than the other when I do a side part. It was just, I did not like my cut, so I got my hair cut. I would have also went ahead and colored my hair. Yes, the loctician at the time that was doing my hair did tell me, hey, you want to get colored, you might want to go ahead and do that now, because you're going to have to wait until your locks are mature to get colored. So I would have gotten color. However, I really feel like I get to see the true health of my hair, so I'm also kind of glad I didn't get color, but I still want to look color. So yeah, that's something I would have changed. Is color an option for me now? Yeah, technically it is. It will be a color. It will be an option for me, just because my locks are like mature at this point, but we're gonna wait until 2 years to say it's mature, but they look mature to me. So this probably would be a good time to get color, but we'll see if I get it. I'm kind of on the fence about it, because I just am really enjoying having healthy hair, and the way my laziness is set up, I wonder, can I take care of color? So yeah, we'll see. Thank you. The last question is from Yes, I'm Nappy. Have you done a retie yourself yet? Is this something you will be doing soon? If so, what rotation would you use doing it yourself? Can you do more style videos? What is the brand of bonnet you need? Enough questions, LOL. That was a lot of questions in a good way. Thank you for that. No, I have not done a retie myself. Yes, that's something I want to do soon. Y'all know I've been talking about that ever since I had to change over to a new loctician. I was like, you know what? I need to learn how to do this myself. I have not learned how to do it yet, because yeah, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Once I graduated with my doctorate, I just needed to just breathe. And now we like 6 months post when I graduated, and I'm still like, just trying to just be in the moment. There are some skills and things that I want to do, hobbies I want to pick up, but I've been just kind of easing into this life post-academic, academia. So, but that is something I do want to learn how to do. If I did the rotation, I'll probably do the 2-point rotation, just because that's the one that's being done on my hair now, and I like how it looks, and it just seemed the most simple. So yeah, that's the one I do. Can you do more style videos? I can. If you want to go check out some shorts that I've done, there are styles in there that I show you how to do the styles while giving you mental health content, so go ahead and check that out. What is the brand of bun that you use? I really don't use a brand. I'm very simple. One of my bunnies is a bunnet that I got when I crossed my sorority, so that was a gift. And another bunnet I got was when I went to the Black Hair Experience, the one in Atlanta, and I grabbed a bunnet from there. So, and those bunnets be in rotation. Like, those are the only 2 that I use. I'm sure there are some really, really nice bunnets out there, but that's all that I really use. So that was it on the questions. Again, y'all see, it's really not the biggest update, hence why I really haven't been posting any content. I will also say, I know I'm probably gonna get this question because I get it a lot. Are you using conditioner yet? No, I still do not use conditioner on my hair. I use the rose water glycerin spray as a leave-in, and that is it. I'm still shampooing with the Head and Shoulders Royal Oils line. Love that shampoo. Or I'm using the Carol's Daughter, the liquid to foam. Either one of those is what I'm using in my hair to shampoo. But I think I'm gonna start back doing product reviews. I think I'm ready to start back doing that. I think I'm ready to start back doing mental health content mixed with Microlocs. And I think I'm ready to just, continue to grow my channel. Now that I've had a break, I really needed that break from March to now because I was getting a little burnt out. So thank you guys to all the new subscribers that have come and they have been watching my journey, catching up on my journey. I hope that you love this video. Let's go ahead and get into my 360 so you can see how far my hair has come. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.